Hi, I'm Jess from Sightsee, and today we're going to talk about how to customize your theme. I'll show you how to customize your color palette, your fonts, and your logo. So let's get started with the color palette. From your WordPress dashboard, you'll go to Appearance and Customize. And from the Customize menu, we will go to Colors and Fonts and select Colors. And this is going to bring up the Kadence global color palette. So this is going to change your colors site-wide. So it's a really quick way to get your theme looking on brand. So these first two colors are your accent colors, and those are going to be your two main brand colors, more or less. I use those for my buttons and also for like these numbers here, a couple headings, and that just adds like a splash of my brand color throughout the page. So if we were to change that, let's go ahead and just choose another color here. It's going to change whatever element was set to that first accent color. It's going to change now to this new color that I've selected site-wide. So it's going to be across every page on your website. So again, a really quick and easy way to start to customize this theme with your branding. There are a lot of different options with colors within Kadence. So, I mean, you can choose your site background color, content background. There's all these different options. You can even add additional color palettes. So you can have up to 3 color palettes if you want to be able to switch between like a light mode and a dark mode, things like that. If you really want to dive deep into customizing your colors, there is a great article from Kadence linked here under the Learn How to Use This link. So go ahead and click that, and yeah, I encourage you to read this for like a really in-depth explanation of how to use the color palette and what you can really do with all of it. Next, let's look at typography. So this is where you're going to customize your fonts. You're going to set a base font, and that's going to be mostly your paragraph blocks. And you'll set a heading font, which is going to be the parent font for all of your headings. And again, this is going to be a global change for the entire site, for every page on the site. So another really fast way to get your theme looking on brand. So I'm going to go ahead and change the fonts and show you what that looks like. So let's say we change it to this font. It's going to change it wherever I have my base font set. So I have a base font set for my navigation, so it's changed there. It's changed in my intro paragraph, and it's changed in all of my paragraph blocks. The last thing I want to show you is how to customize your logo. So let's go back to the customizer menu, and we're going to click on header and logo. And here you can go ahead and change out the logo. Let me do that real quick. Okay, so I've changed it to the Sightsee logo. And you can change the size of your logo here by just using this slider, the max width slider. You can also change it for tablet and mobile as well. So if you want to set a custom size so it looks great across all devices, you can do that. You can also upload a different logo for your mobile devices. So that's a really cool feature. Let me go ahead and just upload this Caldera C. And you can do something like that. If maybe your logo is too big for mobile, you can go ahead and just make a smaller version of your logo and add that to your mobile site. And then the last thing that you definitely want to do is change your site icon. So you'll come here, and right now it's the Sightsee logo, and you can just go ahead and change your favicon there. Okay, so those are a few customizations you can do right away to start getting the theme to look on brand as soon as possible. If you have any questions, you can always email us at hello@sightseedesign.com, or you can join our Facebook group. That's probably the fastest way that you can get some support from us. You can talk to other people who have the theme, and yeah, really get all your questions answered. Thanks so much for choosing a Sightsee design theme, and look back here for more tutorials and how-to guides soon. Thanks.